Today we are going to perform 2F T-joint in horizontal position. How to understand 2F? How to understand that is a fillet weld in horizontal position. So let's start. Today we are going to perform that T-joint by using our flux core arc welding process. Of course, you understand that we must have a MIG or MAG machine. Let us start by checking our machine if it is proper and correct setting. Start by checking everything. You start by fixing and fastening this nut very well, and you check all cables as usual. You have to understand that before starting welding, you have to check if all equipment are good and are in a good condition for facilitating a good performance. After checking all of this about the machine, you have to check if in your cylinder there is a gas which helps us to protect our molten metal to the atmospheric contamination. Remember, if you use flux core, remember that flux core arc welding, we use a cored electrode which has the flux inside of the electrode. That flux which is covered by in the electrode, it helps us to protect our molten metal to the atmospheric contamination and cover our weld mate to be smart and clean. So let us start by opening our gas. Have to make a full open. After open on the cylinder valve, have to switch on the machine in order to see how you can check our working gas. The working gas, you remember that last time we was using the 10 liter per minute. For now, let us setting our liters which we will be flowing when we will be on the performance. You have to set our gases by using this flow meter, and you open slowly this nut, this adjusting screw, and we press this one to check gas. If you press here, you have to understand that you are going to check the gas which will be flowing during the welding. After pressing this, you holding it, then you come here, you open slowly our adjusting screw, our adjusting control valve. Then you are adjusting it up to around 10 or 12 liters per minute. Means if I say liter per minute, you have to understand is the liter which will be flowing during the welding per minute. So let us, after setting, let us see if our electrode comes and going through according to the wire feeder. The wire feeder, you have to set your wire feeder. The wire feeder is where you controlling our speed, our electrode speed according to our traveling speed. So if your speed is too high, you have to reduce so that it's going slowly. Even if you put it on the zero, it's going like a total. It comes like slow by slow. So if you seeing that your electrode is coming slow, you have to increase your speed rate here on the wire feeder. Now here we are setting 2, 3. It's like a velocity of our wire, our electrode. You remember that our electrode is continuous, is feeding continuous. So let us looking our working place and try to wear all accessories like hand gloves to protect our arms, and then keep. You see if all accessories like tongue and the chipping hammer, which help us to remove the slugs. You remember the slugs is like this, these coats, which protect our molten metal. In order to remove it, you have to use this chipping hammer. After removing it, you remember that you have to brush it by using this wire brush, because it's metal, of course. After cleaning it, you remember, in order to holding it, because it's very hot, you have to use this tongue. You can use this one or this. After checking all equipment, you have to remember to protect your eyes. You can protect your eyes by using hand shield or this helmet. This helmet it has automatic glasses, the filter glass, which help us to protect our eyes. Or you can use this hand shield like this, protect your face and your eyes. So now we are going to perform our T joint, our 2F is 2F. We are going to perform, means in order to perform T joint in 2F, you have to understand is the fillet weld. You have to arrange our workpiece like this, in this area. But remember, in order to get a good weld, you have to clean your workpiece. You have to remove all rust, this rust. You have to clean by using this wire brush to cleaning it very well, so that this rust it can't affect our work. Now, how to clean another side, other pieces. If you don't clean your workpiece, there is some interruption on your welding, during your welding, because can be cause some defects on your weld. So this is our workpiece we are going to use for performing our T-joint on horizontal position, because you remember that it is 2F we are going to perform. We are going to start by making a tack weld on our parent metals. Let us put a tack weld. First, yes. After finish putting a tack, making a tack weld like this, you have to start. There's nothing special, only easy to weld. You remember that we are going to weld in a horizontal position. Even if it's T-joint like the first one, we did the last time, the T-joint we did the last time, remember, it's in 1F. 1F, it's, you have to deposit, to make it like this. To deposit it like this, but you remember that when you put your workpiece like this, you mean that it is a downhand position. So now we are going to make an horizontal position. It's the reason why we are going to make our T-joint in this position. Not this like this. If you weld it like this, you have to understand that it is a downhand position. But now today we are going to performing it by laying our workpiece on welding table in this position. Means it is a 2F, not 1F. Let us start. Means it is an horizontal position. When you weld your 2F, you have to go to weld by making a weaving motion. You have to go up and down so that you feel the gap, you feel where your gap. You have to weld by putting the electrode up and down like a weaving motion in order to get a good weld and a good bead. So let us start by welding. You see, you have to go up and down, up, down, up, down, how to go up, down, up and down, up and down, up and down in order to get and you try to control your travel speed. Now you stop here. We are going to remove our slugs and see how it is. You see, because we control our speed and try to go up and down. Now you see we are feeling very well our edges like here. This line is well covered by our weld mat. This is our weld mat. You see that it's well clean and a shine, but making it very clean and shine, you have to use the wire brush. And try to remove those spatters. and you remain your final work. This is our fillet weld in 2F, means in horizontal position, by making a T-joint. After finish, by doing this one, by performing these 2 joints, it's enough today, but we have to remember to clean your working area so that you can stay your workshop clean and safe. And try to arrange all accessories and equipment you have used, and state that those all materials you have used in a good condition. Now let us close our machine. Then after closing the machine, you have to close also our gauzes. Our gauze. Yeah. Thank you for today. Welcome. Thank you for your attention.